deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. The two main groups of deer are the Cervidae, including the muntjac, the elk, wapiti, the red deer, and the fallow deer, and the capreolinae. Including the reindeer, caribou, white-tailed deer, the roe deer, and the moose. Male deer of all species, except the Chinese water deer, as well as female reindeer, grow and shed new antlers each year. In this they differ from permanently horned antelope, which are part of a different family, Bovidae, within the same order of even-toed ungulates, Artiodactyla. The musk deer, Muscidae, of Asia and Chevrotanes, Tragulidae, of tropical African and Asian forests are separate families that are also in the ruminant clade Ruminandia. They are not especially closely related to Cervidae. Deer appear in art from Paleolithic cave paintings onwards, and they have played a role in mythology, religion, and literature throughout history, as well as in heraldry, such as red deer that appear in the coat of arms of Olin.